Meaning of Fletcher Christian.
Fletcher Christian.
Fletcher Christian.
Fletcher Christian.
Fletcher Christian. Fletcher Christian was a British sailor who led the mutiny aboard the HMS Bounty in 1789. He and his fellow mutineers set Captain William Bligh and some of his loyal crew members adrift on a small boat in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. The mutineers then sailed the Bounty to Pitcairn Island, where they established a settlement. After some time, tensions arose among the mutineers, leading to violence and ultimately Christian's death. Today, Fletcher Christian is remembered as a controversial figure in maritime history.